Hello, YouTube world. Are you interested in making money online? Well, I have several different ways that pay directly to your PayPal account. If you're interested, I would just need you to go to the description down below and click on the link down below. And in that link, it's tied to several different ways that you can start getting paid today through PayPal, making 100, 200, 300, as much as I've seen as much as $1,000 in one day. Now, take it from me. Extra money, saving money, it's all worth it. Like, if you're interested in the way, the methods, and the websites that I'm going to and that I'm using, feel free to check them out. Like I say, I have it all tied together in that one description, well, in the description down below. All of the sites that I'm doing are in the description down below. All the tools that I'm using are in the description down below. So feel free to check that out. And if you're interested in starting your own online business, making money, averaging $100 or more a day, then click on the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment any questions that you might have or any information that you might want to ask me about, or websites that you might want to ask about, or companies you might want to ask about, and we can network, and I'll let you know what I find out or what I know about whatever company you're interested in. And with that being said, I'll see you at the top.